Faraday Future is expanding its presence in the U.S. market through its FXPAR model, a multi-state offline network for user operations and services. The company is seeking like-minded partners across California and 7 other key states to join the FXPAR program, offering opportunities for co-creation and revenue sharing within the U.S. AIEV mobility ecosystem. The FXPAR model draws inspiration from the original LePAR model, which successfully reshaped the market in China. Faraday Future aims to replicate this success in the U.S., delivering new energy and blue ocean value through its FXPAR partners. In other developments, California's Speaker Emeritus Anthony Rendon has joined Faraday Future as a senior consultant, bolstering the company's government affairs capabilities. His role will focus on public sector engagement, policy incentives, and tariff strategy, supporting the implementation of Faraday Future's global automotive industry bridge strategy. Faraday Future has also made progress in its finance and capital market sector, with its 10b5-1 executive stock purchase plans passing compliance reviews. The first group of executives, including YT Jia and Jerry Wang, have been approved for stock purchases worth $560,000 and $50,000 respectively. A 90-day cooling-off period will precede the automatic execution of these stock purchases. The company is moving forward with production preparations for the FX Super One, collaborating daily with key partners, including S-Tier 1 suppliers. Additionally, Faraday Future has marked a significant milestone in its third pole strategy with the handover ceremony of its regional factory and operations facility in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. This facility will support the production of both FF and FX models, serving the GCC market and potentially expanding into Europe and North Africa. The facility will support the production of both FF and potential Faraday X FX models, enabling the company to serve diverse customer segments across the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC countries, with potential future expansion into Europe and North Africa. The 108,000 square foot facility will encompass an office, engineering workshop, and operational hub, and is expected to commence operations in the second half of 2025. The lease agreement was signed during the Make It in the Emirates 2025 summit in Abu Dhabi, reinforcing Faraday Future's commitment to industrial innovation in the UAE. The handover ceremony was attended by Faraday Future's global co-CEO Matthias Eit, Chief Financial Officer Cody Mika, and Rami Jalad, Group CEO of the Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone, RAKEZ. IDT highlighted the significance of the facility, stating that it will serve as a gateway to the region and has the potential to create up to 200 skilled jobs. RAKEZ played a critical role in enabling Faraday Future's smooth entry into the UAE, offering comprehensive support from infrastructure and permitting to regulatory alignment. Rami Jalad, Group CEO of RAKEZ, emphasized that Faraday Future's entry marks the beginning of a bold new chapter in the region's mobility landscape, aligning with national ambitions for a sustainable electric future. The facility will support Faraday Future's vision of sustainable AI-powered mobility, with plans to establish regional R&D capabilities and a localized supply chain anchored in Ras Al Khaimah. This development is a critical step forward in the company's strategic global expansion, demonstrating its commitment to innovation and growth in the Middle East. Looking ahead, Faraday Future will host its first annual Stockholders' Day on May 31st, featuring updates on the FX Super One's official launch and test rides of FX prototype mule vehicles. The company will also release its first monthly investor update during the Dragon Boat Festival holiday in China. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.